What's up, everybody? It's your boy Demo. Demo Flips, Team Us. You already know what it is. First and foremost, God bless. I hope you guys are having a great day. So check this out: $400, 500 with fees. So we can already see. Let's just get to the nitty gritty. Why did I get this car for this price? Vehicle in-op does not move. Transmission issue. So I already know this car. Not this one in particular. I already know. These transmissions are not a lot of money. So, but to show it to you guys, I'll do it. And again, this is where, experience comes into play, or at least being able to use apps similar to this. This one is the automatic C70 turbo. I'm looking to spend like 200. There we go. Got two of them right there, 145, 138. I deal with both these people and they're very close. But even at the 800 mark, look, 400, 600, 300, 150. I deal with Elite. They just suck. 200, 299, 250. And here, look, top right, 2009 Volvo 70 series transmission. It's the C70 turbo. So I'm not worried about it. 132 on the clock. This is all the information about the car. Let's look at the car. These things sell here. You can see the top is down. This is the only photo you guys are going to notice with the top down. So another reason why I believe I got this car so cheap is because, number one, people don't know how much a transmission costs. Number two, if this is the only picture with the top down and you went over here and now the top's up, if you did not notice that the top is down here, you would think that the top does not work, right? Just looking at the car, it's not the nicest of cars, cleanliness wise. All right, but you guys already know that's nothing a quick little detail can't do. The hood needs to get buffed out, but again, not really a big deal. Like, that dent is massive. Look at that thing. That could be a problem. I don't know that like a dent, paintless dent removal could do it. If they can't, I'm probably just gonna leave it, let it be the way it is. But as you go along, the car's rough. It needs some love. It needs some love. All it comes down to is it needs love. Look at these are the same colors. But anyway, moving right along. For $500 a running driving car, I could probably scrap this car and make money on the deal. Lit up like a Christmas tree. Let's see. Info, driver doors open, so that would make sense there. It needs gas and one of the tires are low. All right. So we can't be mad at that. I don't know why I keep doing that nonsense. What the hell is all this stuff back here? Well, it has been cold here in Florida, so that'll be nice to get a blanket. I don't know what I'm looking at here. Look at this thing, bro. Oil went bad. Let's see. What are they trying to show you? I mean, I know it's underneath the car. I wonder what they're trying to show you here. Unless it's just a picture of underneath. I don't know. Yeah, I think they're just really trying to show you. Damn, that CV axle shot out. Look at that. That thing is not in good shape at all. So, okay. They really took their time and took a lot of photos of underneath this car. I've never seen so many pictures of the underneath. Oh, you know why? Because they can't do the virtual. I bet you, because the way it works is the car has to move, I believe, in order to do the virtual undercarriage. So I bet you that's why they're taking so many pictures like that. No codes found. You know what I wanted to get? I wish some of these things would tell you the last time that the codes were erased. Like, how do we know that they're not out there erasing the codes right before ACV shows up? You know what I mean? Like, let's be honest. I would. I'm not gonna front. I'll keep it 100 with you guys. If I knew I was gonna run a car through ACV, I would erase all the codes. That key has seen better days. That seat has seen better days. Holy I wonder what seats cost. That's nothing. That dent is killer. A little bit of paintwork. I won't even bother with it. I really feel like someone took the seats out of this car and replaced them with these. I really do. Maybe not, because that center console's beat up too. That's nothing. We could fix that. Headliner shot. Well, that's it. You know what, guys? Let's look at let's see if we can find front seats for this thing. Sometimes it's easier just to get seats than it is to I painted my own. I don't know if you guys seen, I don't know if I even took video of the STS. I bought gray seats for it and painted, and that's another one I didn't show you guys. That thing runs and drives too. I don't ever think I showed you guys that car. Like, I'm really good at doing these front videos. I'm not really good at doing the second one. Let's see, seat front. My God. They're definitely electric, right? So let's look at this. There's just too many options, bro. Like, how do you even know? Adjustable height. Small pleats. Let's just go with this one. Track only. Tan leather seats. Let's see how they look. Way better. Something's not right there. Looking for the driver's seat. Did I hit passenger? Let me see. No, this should have been driver. All right. So they have this one. Oh, it's track only. Oh, damn, these things are far as hell. All right, so we ain't getting that seat. Let's try a different one. Let's try this one. 100 miles away, Melbourne. Better, but still shot. Let's see what else. So they're not manual, because I think in ours, if I'm not mistaken, when I looked at the seat side, it was power. So let's do this, guys. So the way I ended up buying this car was I just, I mean, this one could be dyed again. I mean, they both could probably be dyed again. But the way I ended up with this seat is, with this car, I threw in like 550, and then I just got an alert that I won it for 400. I was just like, what the hell? So it looks like those are your only options, because manual we don't have, and then this other one, I want to say, let me look at this one more time, even though it's way too far away. I'm trying to see if there's any difference. Look at the lumbar right there for the bottom, how it's got that curvature. Let me see if this one, see, ours doesn't. So if you notice ours, right, like you see the blue right there underneath it, that's the part I'm looking at, not the 3, but right there. And you're gonna notice that it's got like a cut that goes almost like a 45-degree angle, right? So now when you look at this one is totally different. So I want to say I don't have that S1. Let's see what the H one looks like. I bet you I have the H. Looking at this one. Yeah. All right. So now we know which ones we have. And I mean, so this guy's got 100 miles away. Damn, Melbourne's the other side of Florida. Let's see if he's got the passenger. Wait, is there a third one? I didn't even see the third one. I did not even notice that there was a third option. My bad, guys. And it could be this one as well. And let's see if the third option. Oh, hell yeah. Let's see. Tan. What would you say that mine is? Did you think mine is tan? Let's see. Let's see. Is in better condition. Let's look over here. That picture's terrible. And the passenger one looks good too. All right. So what does this guy need for his seats? 150. If he's got them both, I might take them. This ain't the right color. And if I'm gonna go painting and dyeing seats, I might as well dye what we have. Let's see if they have passenger. What was that one called? Pasco? Damn, they don't have it. This guy does. But it's gonna be gray. So if I'm gonna paint one, I might as well paint them both. So is it worth $150 to drive 80 miles away? I'm gonna go with yes. And I could just dye them all, I guess. Okay. But overall, guys, I apologize. But in all actuality, that's really what I do. So I think we had looked at all the photos already. Yeah, and we need that center console. I could probably get that from eBay. So that's what I do, guys. But yeah, I got this thing for $500. Let me think here. It's in Tampa, so I'll throw Leroy $50 for getting it, and that's it, guys. So, you know, if you know your stuff and you're able to fix certain things and stuff like that, this car right here in this area will probably bring in about 4,000 or 5,000. You know what I mean? And again, the way I would know is I would just go on Facebook Marketplace and just go to let's look it up. $180 for 36. Now these are there's nothing close to us, right? $9 for 108. Cape Coral's, I mean, not super far, but this guy $650 from Panama City. I bet you that's going to be a parts car. If Panama City wasn't so far away. Oh, the seat's a shot anyway. Let's see what else we got here. So I want to say though, guys, there was someone selling a C70 for parts, a white one on here. You know, $5,000. So again, these cars do bring money where I am. There's a lot of them. Competition's fierce. So this guy's obviously for $1,000 looking to let's see what's with this. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe he ended up selling it. He had it for quite a while. That looks nice, rimmed up. That looks really nice. All right, you guys don't gotta watch this part of the video. At this point here now, I'm just looking for this one's older. I'm just looking for a parts car. Obviously, that one won't cut it. But you guys are looking. I mean, if you're looking, you can see the prices of them. I didn't even know they had a wind deflector. Maybe they. This thing looks really good. Black on black looks real good. Damn. I wonder what it would take to make mine black on black, because that's sharp. That's sharp right there, boy. Yeah, it's quite a bit. Like if I was to turn this thing to a complete black interior, there's quite a bit that would have to get changed. Unfortunately. So but these back seats just don't look like the fronts, man. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, man. I hope you're enjoying the content. As I said, have a great day. God bless, and make some money out there.